Dinesh Naurim. This 24-year-old from Manipur is making his debut at MFN right here at Matrix Fight Night 10. This guy here tore apart the entire division. Rightly said. Let's look at the tail of the tape. Arsenba Uzukum, 22 years of age, 167 centimeters in terms of height. Both these guys almost weigh in the same. That's the flyweight division.
Representing Manipur, give it up for Dinesh Singh Naurim!
If you want to catch gloves, back to your corners.
Dinesh looks so cool and calm here. He's all set to make his debut, a stellar one.
Notice here that Arsenba has a wider stance this time. He's looking to prevent a takedown. The speed advantage here is certainly going to Arsenba. Nice inside leg kick by Dinesh.
Still trying to fight back, but I think...
He's doing a good...
Oh,
Ooh,
what a
nice exchange by both of these guys here.
बहुत ही जोरदार मुक्के लगाए दोनों ही फाइटर्स ने.
From securing a takedown and give Arsenba a nice exchange here, guys. Nice exchanges.
As the name says, Arsenba, the Nightmare MMA.
Oh, guys. I'm not sure if the TV can hear it, but
And the head will die. We see it in exhibition
look,
here.
here we go.
हम
Dinesh.
शुरुआत से कह रहे थे ये स्ट्राइकर वर्सेस ग्रैपलर गेम है. अब ये गेम गई है ग्राउंड पे. So let's see what Dinesh does from here.
Bad place. Dinesh is going to need to get his legs free and crawl up the cage. Nice
Whoa, what a
reversal
nice
here.
reversal.
Great
क्या
reversal
बात
here,
है.
guys.
दिनेश आ गए हैं अब अरसनबा के ऊपर. क्या वो यहाँ से हावी पड़ेंगे? क्या वो मुक्के चलाएंगे? एल्बो से शुरुआत करी उन्होंने. बहुत ही बढ़िया. इस पोजीशन का पूरा फायदा उठाना होगा दिनेश को.
Manam, that was a nice reversal, very technical here, and this could be a game changer here for Dinesh.
It certainly could be.
I
Guys, that
think
was
John,
a nice elbow.
if at the moment Dinesh can hold that position, throw and land and connect some nasty elbows, if he can cut open Arsenba at the moment, I think that's his game. This is his territory.
Arsenba is taking some damage here, guys. He's taken 3 or 4 unanswered punches, a couple elbows here. Dinesh is dominating in
क्या
this
बात
position.
है?
Look at those
खतरनाक.
short elbows, short strikes, straight on Arsenba's face. This could be a game changer here, guys.
खतरनाक पंचेस और एल्बोज मार रहे हैं. अरसनबा ज्यादा कुछ कर नहीं पा रहे हैं. रेफरी रंजीत बहुत ध्यान से देख रहे हैं. पूरा 1 मिनट अभी भी पड़ा है.
John, those short strikes are nasty.
Oh, Arsenba has now secured the full guard, but Dinesh has
Arsenba was
opened
in
him up.
problem. He was in problem.
Look at Arsenba's face. We see blood on
Arsenba's been
Arsenba's
opened up,
face now.
absolutely, yes.
He's eaten a lot of elbows, John.
He's transitioning for an armbar. Back inside control, Dinesh is.
कमाल, कमाल. इसे कहते
Right
हैं
into-
MMA.
That was a nice transition there into full mount from Dinesh.
This is at the end of the round. Look at how it started. Wow, that was the big kick that landed, that Dinesh
Nice
landed.
liver kick by Dinesh.
चलिए देखते
Dinesh is
हैं.
a bit emotional here inside the middle of the cage, guys.
Let's look at how this happened, okay? Arsenba was clearly winning, guys. He was dominating.
Dominating,
He was
agreed.
destroying Dinesh's leg. We were all saying
Dropped
he's
him.
winning. Look at that punch. He dropped him. And then everything changed. The moment Dinesh got that reversal and got mount, everything changed from that point on.
Guys, that's what I love about MMA. You never know what's going to happen. Just the second we have written Dinesh off, he comes back and he wins this fight. Unbelievable.
Well, that indeed is crazy. Ladies and gentlemen, we've got the winner for this fight.
Look at this right here. These
Those-
elbows are what finished Arsenba.
Nasty, nasty as we call them.
And being hit on the ground like that is very different from being hit when you're standing up.
Oh, yes. When your head bounces off the canvas,
Your winner, Dinesh Singh Naurim!
Coming up next, we've got Dinesh Naurim in the flyweight category, taking on Sagar Thapa.
Ladies and gentlemen, making his way to the cage, Dinesh Naurim!
तो आज यहाँ काफी ऊंचा मनोबल लेके आ रहे हैं.
I think it's really dependent on the athletes, but we'll see tonight.
Ladies and gentlemen, first we introduce the blue corner. He weighed in at 57.25 kilograms, representing Manipur, Dinesh Naurim! And his opponent, fighting out of the red corner. He weighed in at 56.6 kilograms, representing Uttarakhand, Sagar Thapa.
दिनेश नावरेम वर्सेस सागर थापा। दिनेश हैं मणिपुर से, सागर हैं उत्तराखंड से। दिनेश व्हाइट एंड ब्लू ट्रंक्स में, सागर ब्लैक एंड ब्लू ट्रंक्स में।
Both these guys. Oh! Dinesh shoots in for a. Oh my goodness, that was crazy, man.
बहुत ही बढ़िया स्लैम किया यहाँ पे और दिनेश आए हैं टॉप पे, बिल्कुल समय नहीं वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, आते ही 2 मुक्के लगाए, बॉडी को टारगेट कर रहे हैं।
Dinesh doing a really good job here of controlling the hips, preventing Sagar from climbing that cage while raining down those punches from top position. Dinesh doing a great job with these level changes and taking down Sagar here, kind of at will.
ये तीसरा टेक डाउन है जो दिनेश ने लिया है, बिल्कुल अपना मन बना के आए हैं कि नीचे रखना है सागर को और बार बार टेक डाउन लेके वही कर रहे हैं इस फाइट में। ये देखिए यहां से हुई शुरुआत, दिनेश गए टेक डाउन के लिए। बहुत बढ़िया तरीके से स्लैम करने के बाद कंट्रोल किया उन्होंने सागर को, स्ट्राइक्स मारे, पंचेस मारे, एल्बोज मारी और जैसे ही सागर खड़े होते थे दिनेश वापस एक और टेक डाउन लगा के फाइट को ग्राउंड पे ले जाते गए। as well as All India Mixed Martial Arts Association.
Round number 2 begins. The distance. Oh, what a sprawl. Man, this is crazy.
और यहाँ पे दिनेश को पोजीशन मिल गई है, अपनी टॉप पोजीशन में है।
He may have good wrestling skills, but trust me, I trust Sagar's jiu-jitsu more.
I really like the way Dinesh is punching Sagar. He's going body head, he's mixing it up. This is classic ground and pound. Fantastic work from Dinesh.
Very much reminiscent of Mark Coleman back in the day.
Wow, look at those punches. बहुत ताकत है. Every punch
But I
has a lot of power in it.
With Dinesh punching him, there's enough room for him to pull a
Rahul.
try and pull a triangle.
Rahul, it's like Mike Tyson said, everybody has a plan till they get hit in the face.
Yeah.
और अब
Stand
यहाँ
up.
माउंट लेते हुए almost.
Oh, excellent defense here.
Excellent defense.
बहुत बढ़िया.
He didn't let Dinesh take the mount. But one thing, oh man.
Nice short elbow. Opens up a cut on Sagar's
Toxic.
forehead.
Super toxic.
And vicious.
And one more.
Oh man, that's nasty.
Cannot afford any more punishment on the ground from Dinesh.
बहुत ही solid.
That was
Zabardast.
heavy.
Such a heavy left overhand to the face of
Oh,
Sagar.
another.
उस ओवरहैंड के पीछे टेक डाउन छुपाते हुए दिनेश ने करी एंट्री और
What a hip
टेक
toss,
डाउन.
guys. Dinesh doing a really good job.
बहुत ही खतरनाक पोजीशन गाइस. अभी 40 सेकंड पड़े हैं, फाइट खत्म भी हो सकती है. रेफरी याकूब बहुत ध्यान से देखते हुए और दोनों फाइटर वापस अब अपने पैरों पे. Dinesh has done some serious damage to Sagar. Look at Sagar's face.
And Dinesh looks absolutely unscarred, unscratched. Oh, another takedown, man.
Yeah, it's like a
This is-
machine.
Every time he gets an opportunity to strike it, he strikes it and opens it up just a little bit further.
10 more seconds to go.
Solid ground and pound. I'm really impressed with Dinesh's ground and pound.
John, this man is a beast. Continuous pounding.
Punches marenge, kicks marenge. He'll hide his takedown behind some strikes, which is very intelligent. Oh. There we go again, guys.
As soon as Dinesh gets Sagar on his back foot,
स्ट्रैटेजी है ये. टेकडाउन्स को चेन करते हैं और यहाँ देखिए लगातार घूसे एकदम मशीन की तरह. बहुत ही खतरे में सागर थापा. नॉन स्टॉप हैमर स्ट्राइक्स और रेफरी ने फाइट को रोका. Dinesh Naurem wins via TKO. What a performance, ladies and gentlemen.
Excellent stoppage here by the referee.
excellent stoppage. I agree with that stoppage 100%.
By TKO, Dinesh Dinesh Naram!
चलिए चलते हैं अगली फाइट की ओर, जो की है दिनेश नावरम, और आज ये सामना करने वाले हैं बलवीर तोमर का। For sure, Arjun, for sure. And let's get this started. Again, opposite stances. Balveer in orthodox stance, and we've got Dinesh Naoram in the southpaw.
Yeah, Dinesh in the white trunks, Balveer in the black trunks. And the last time we saw a southpaw, immediately, no time wasted. Beautiful judo throw.
So slick with his
I
wrestling.
mean, he started with a flip, but it turned into a muscle. Oh! Very nice.
You blink, you miss.
Don't blink, like Jason said.
Keeping his composure. He's still on the ground though. He's trying to fight his way back up on top.
I mean, Balveer is threatening with submissions from the bottom here. But man, Dinesh Naoram, heavy top control. Looking to land some ground and pound.
Yeah, good defense.
And he's landing some bombs. Oh, look at that.
The crowd is going crazy with every shot that he punches.
How slick was that?
Good job getting out of mount quickly. Pulls it back to half guard.
Those
Very
elbows
nice
look very
elbows.
good. He's doing some damage now. Big shots. Balveer needs to get out of this position.
And I'm getting deafer and deafer with all the crowd behind us. I can barely hear myself. And that big frame. Beautiful ground and pound.
Balveer needs to do some better defense here. He's just looking at him.
Oh, he got tagged with a couple of good punches there. And the referee is giving him every chance.
Does a good job of pushing him away.
Ground and pound almost gets into mount there, does Dinesh.
Oh, man.
And I mean, big elbow.
The most important thing is he's not given up his position. He's maintained the top position the entire time.
Oh man, hammer fist, over and over again by Dinesh Naoram, and referee Mark Goddard looking on closely.
Nice ground
man,
and pound.
vicious ground and pound. He's going to stop this fight any moment now.
Shouting, go for the elbows.
I mean,
stall on the mount.
I mean,
I think he
Dinesh,
just took a break.
Dinesh, the way he's just at ease, puts his hand down on his face and lands those elbows. I mean, back in mount
We're
again.
in full mount now.
Again.
Unleashing a lot of punishment here.
Nice cage walk. Well done by Balveer. Good cage walk there, but still on the bottom.
But the balance by Dinesh is just ridiculous. And he's landing, and yes, and that's what we said. Mark Goddard has seen enough. What a performance by Dinesh Naoram. I mean, the pace he put on, Jason.
Cheering all his fans in attendance. Representing Manipur.
He showed great skills, and over again. It's just fantastic. The level of wrestling, the pedigree.
Ladies and gentlemen, ref Mark Goddard called to stop this fight after 4 minutes and 36 seconds of round one, declaring your winner by TKO, Dinesh Naoram.